What up, gastancehouse? We're installing some coils on an '08 Tiburon. The knuckle bolts, like the bolts that connect the strut to the knuckle, they were like seized in there, like completely rusted. So we just sent some of the guys over to get some new bolts. But other than that, things are going really smoothly. It's nice because these Racelands actually come with like a top mount, so the front has the camber plates. And the rear just has like a top hat already on it. No need to actually take apart stock struts and put stock top hats on. So that's like super nice. That's saving a bunch of time. Yeah, things are going fairly smoothly, like besides the bolt issue. But
what up?
Yeah, these struts look like they could be possibly blown. Or partially blown anyway, so it's probably good that he's upgrading.
They have the prices in as like $15 for each freaking bolt. And
what do you got to say?
And for a second it came up as like $296 on the total.
Yeah.
What?
It was like, no, like the first one was like $320, and I was like, yeah, that's not right.
Dang. We got these pigs installed.
Oh my gosh. Blake, how do you take them?
We got them maxed out to start. Oh, we didn't tighten down the collars.
Yeah, that's
what I do that.
Yeah, you're not D-money, dude.
Alright, that's you. Real mature. You're a real big dog. Real mature. Yeah, real mature.
Tighten up the collars really quick. So this thing's ready to drop down, maxed out.
True.
V6 power.
Look at those abs. Six-pack.
Six pack right there. Alright, we're getting ready to drop this pig down.
Is everything on there?
Why do you have to like...
We doing it? Alright. Dumped out. It'll settle.
Good.
That's definitely way lower. That looks clean.
Forget the back, dude.
It's gonna settle another, like after he drives this for a couple days, it'll settle probably another ½ inch to an inch. No wheel gap. I like that.
Oh.
Tearing apart the rear right now. Got some people doing some work. Putting in work. There it is.
Oh, I see it. It's
dang.
under the seatbelt mechanism.
So we gotta undo that. Hopefully if we just undo that, we can get to it easily. Getting this plastic carpet piece out.
There's pieces right here.
Oh, these little things.
It's a lot of clips and screws and random stuff. But Cade, Logan, and Sean are taking the initiative. I get to take a break. Matt's been taking the break the whole time.
Funny.
We got the stance machines out here. The Accord, the Celica, and the Prelude. As you can see, still the lip is still hanging on. It's still really like not finished and not professional looking, but who really cares? And here's the Celica. Just chilling. I finally got the gastancehouse banner on it.
Oh, yeah,
after like a bunch of like just putting it off. So yeah, this is my pig. But yeah, it's fun. It's fun to drive around. Oh yeah, we gotta give him a tour of the new light setup. So we put in these new fluorescent lights, and it makes it so much easier to see in here, especially at night.
Why'd you
Alright,
put the whole
so
thing in the tray?
we're pulling this thing apart, and there's this old amp wiring back here. Look at this hack job.
Sean, you gotta pull those back out.
Well, is that
Yeah,
good enough?
just strip the insulation back and just twist it together, and you'll be good.
Give it to me.
That looks like a solid connection right there. Not even insulated either. It's not like it's gonna start a fire or anything. So it started
Is he just gonna
pouring.
keep going?
It's a little stormy out today. But we got both of the struts in the rear, so. What up? We dropped it down, so this is where it's sitting right now. It's not maxed out in the rear, but it is maxed in the front. Maxed. As far as out of the box specs go, it's maxed in the front, but there's rear. I think we might just leave it there until we know exactly like how it's gonna settle and stuff. So he's gonna drive around like that, I guess. It looks clean.
You could even just go drive around the neighborhood, honestly, and see if it.
It might settle even a little bit, even between now and then.
What's up?
That's another episode of gastancehouse. Thanks for watching. What do you say, Cade?
This thing's dumped.